Jeremy, wanafanya nini hapo? Jay, fikiria hii light natoka wapi? Say hi people. Say hi. Say hi JJ. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are so much welcome. So this is my evening routine. When I got home, first thing I normally do, I come back home and I send auntie to go buy food. So that is why you're saying my baby close to the door. He normally wants to go out with anyone who is going out. Yeah, so I'm just having a good time with him. And then the next thing I'll do, I'll go cook. Then after cooking, I have to allow and feed the baby. Meanwhile, as I'm taking a shower, then we eat, and then we call it a night. Yeah. So normally my evening routine is not that so much busy, but I usually make sure that when I get home, I do the cooking. So first thing, I start with my baby's food because I normally prefer him eating early enough. Yes, maybe 7 or 7, earliest 8, since he normally sleeps around 11. He sleeps late. Yes. Meanwhile, I'm putting maji water for ugali. I'm going to cook ugali. Yes. So cook with me.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So his food is ready, and I've asked auntie to feed him. Okay, not like feed him. We are still training him on how to eat alone. Yeah, so he normally pours food down. So what we normally do is to hold a plate for him and just ensure that he doesn't mess up the entire plate. Yeah, so I'm done cooking ugali. We are having sukuma, spinach, and mayai. This is how I prepare my mayai. I normally prefer, there are two recipes. The first one I normally fry the mayai first. I cut them or chop into small pieces. Then I cook nyanya, kitungu. Then I put a little water. And then this other recipe, I prefer this because I normally feel mayai tastes more better than the other recipe. Yeah. Let's have a conversation. Tell me, how do you prepare your mayai? How do you prepare your eggs? Normally, the ones that you're going to eat as sauce. Yes. How do you prepare your eggs and how do you prepare your skuma? Let's have a conversation in the comment section. But if you have watched up to this point and you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Yeah, so at the moment my food is ready. That is water for bathing or shower. Yeah, bathing, not showering. Yeah, so my shower has an issue. Normally, it brings more of hot water than it being in between there. Yeah, so I normally use a basin to shower. And of course, I know you guys are like, is that bar soap I saw? Yes, it is. My bathroom is congested, but we'll have another bathroom, a better one. So this is me taking a shower. Not a shower, bathing. This is me bathing.
Wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know it's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole lot.
You remember back then they used to teach us how to shower. Guys, where do you start from? Do you start from the upwards coming downwards, or you start from downwards coming upwards? How would you shower? Anyway, just a question, a funny question.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
And yeah, we are done. We are done taking a shower. Oh, not a shower. We are done bathing. That's me right there, clean and fresh. Oh, next thing is us having dinner. Now, I'm not used to shooting, so this video is ending just right now. See you.